kaya nga, pinasakay mo siya kasi gusto mo ma-influence ako para maimbitahan ka. Kay gusto mo kunyari mag-present ng legal expertise mo sa paggawa ng preparation report kasi yun ang gusto mong ipakita.
Unang
I am-
hearing hanggang dito.
As chairman of this committee, I am going to cite you in contempt for lying. Any objection? Hearing none.
I'm ready for
You are
that.
cited in contempt.
May dala na po akong bag, sir. Kunin mo na yung bag ko.
Did you, Pidea,
Pidea. Sila may galing, sa kanila galing yan, Your
Pidea,
Honor.
sa inyo raw galing to, kayo raw nag-check nung fill in the blanks nito.
Your Honor, I am not Jonathan Morales. Pidea is not Jonathan Morales.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead.
I move that he be cited in contempt.